Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sine bx. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides for sine bx, and we have b cosine bx dx. Because we don't have b, so we need to divide both sides by b. This one we change by u. Cosine bx dx we change by du over b. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about sine bx. This is the end. Thank you for watching.